2026 marks a milestone for Marcor. 40 years of delivering performance, quality, and innovation to the automotive aftermarket. For 4 decades, we've partnered with the world's top manufacturers, connecting shops and enthusiasts across Canada with the parts they trust. Now, to celebrate our 40th anniversary, we're shining a spotlight on the brands that have helped define Marcor and performance legacy we've built together. Join us as we explore the stories, innovations, and products that have made these partnerships legendary. Welcome back to Marcor Automotive. Today we're going to be showcasing Bilstein products. Bilstein has been a leader in shock and suspension for decades. In fact, they developed the first monotube gas pressure shock back in 1957, and they've been building suspension components ever since for drivers who want better ride quality, better handling, and more confidence on the road or off the road. Today, Bilstein offers a wide range of products, including shocks, struts, coil springs, lift kits, steering stabilizers, and complete suspension. They have systems for everything from performance cars to trucks and SUVs. Let's take a look at some of their most popular product categories, starting with B4 OE replacement line. If your original shocks or struts are worn out and you just want to bring the vehicle back to the way it felt when it was new, the B4 is a solid choice. It's an affordable OE style replacement designed to restore ride quality and everyday comfort. Stepping up from there, you've got the B6 series. For trucks and SUVs, that's the B6 4600. And for cars, it's the B6 Performance. These are great options for drivers who want more control and stability than a basic replacement shock or strut. Compared to the B4, they offer firmer control, improved grip, and better lane stability. If your car has a lowering kit, that's where the B8 Performance Plus comes in. These shocks and struts are specifically designed to work with lowering springs, making them a great match for drivers who want improved handling along with a lower, sportier stance. On the truck and SUV side, one of the most popular options is the B8 5100. These are built for vehicles with raised suspension or lift applications, and they use a 46mm monotube design for consistent fade-free performance. If your truck or SUV still has factory ride height, but you want to level it or add lift, Bilstein also offers the B8 5100 ride height adjustable. This is a great solution for vehicles with a factory coilover design. Using your existing spring or an aftermarket replacement spring, these shocks allow you to raise the front ride height by as much as 2.75 inches, depending on the application. For drivers looking for more complete suspension solutions, Bilstein also offers full kit options. For cars, that includes the B12, B14, and B16 suspension kits. The B12 combines B8 Performance Plus dampers with lowering springs for a fixed drop. The B14 adds ride height adjustability, giving the driver more flexibility in how the vehicle sits. And the B16 adds another level again, combining ride height adjustment with multi-stage damping adjustment for even more fine-tuning. For trucks and SUVs, Bilstein offers the B8 6112 suspension kit. This kit includes ride height adjustable front shocks, new coil springs, and billet aluminum spring seats, giving users a more complete upgrade with up to 2.75 inches of additional front ride height, depending on the application. Marcor Automotive stocks Canada's largest inventory, and that's why it should be your trusted source for Bilstein products.